2,000 years ago, Roman engineers buried pipes beneath their floors and pumped air through the cold earth to cool entire buildings in summer. No electricity, no refrigerant, no monthly utility bill, just physics working silently underground. Today, you can replicate that exact system with plastic pipe from any hardware store for under $200. No engineering degree, no special tools, just soil, pipe, and the same physics Rome mastered before Christ was born. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how it works, how to build it yourself, and why building codes in 12 states make it nearly impossible to install one legally. Welcome to Buried Blueprints, where we uncover the building secrets the industry buried. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. Picture Rome in 100 AD. Roman engineers needed climate control without electricity because electricity would not exist for another 1,800 years. Their solution was the Hypocaust, from the Greek meaning heat from below. Floors raised on columns of brick with open chambers beneath. Hot air circulated under the floor in winter. Cooler underground air drew through channels in summer. The system maintained a cold room, a warm room, and a hot room, all regulated by airflow through channels buried in the earth. No thermostats, no utility bill. Archaeologists have found these ruins in Pompeii, Bath in England, and Trier in Germany. 2,000 years later, the engineering logic is still visible in the stone. Here is the physics. Below 4 to 6 feet underground, soil temperature stops following the weather above. It stabilizes between 50 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit all year round. The ground beneath you right now is sitting at roughly 55 degrees. It was 55 degrees last August when your air conditioning bill hit $400. On a 100-degree afternoon, air drawn through a buried pipe enters your house at 55 to 65 degrees. No compressor, no refrigerant, just a 50-watt fan. Less power than a single light bulb. So, why are you still paying $300 a month to cool your home? In 1902, Willis Carrier invented mechanical air conditioning to solve a humidity problem in a Brooklyn printing plant. The business model that followed was deliberate. Passive earth systems cost money once. Then the earth works forever at no expense. Mechanical air conditioning inverts this. The equipment is cheap, but it demands electricity every hour it runs, refrigerant recharges every few years, and a compressor replacement costing $4,000 to $8,000 at the 15-year mark. The industry does not sell you a cooling system. It sells you a subscription you cannot cancel. After World War II, the HVAC industry shaped the American building code to require mechanical systems as the only accepted standard. Passive earth cooling had no compressor lobby and no trade association writing code language on its behalf. By 1960, architects could graduate without ever learning that buildings had cooled themselves through the ground for 2,000 years. The physics never disappeared. In 2006, the Earth Ranger Center near Toronto was certified LEED Gold, using 9 concrete earth tubes buried 3 meters underground. The building operates at less than 9 kilowatt-hours per square foot per year, one of the most efficient commercial buildings in Canada. Zero exotic materials, just buried pipe and the same earth temperature Rome used 2,000 years ago. Yet, drive through Phoenix or Dallas today, and you will find almost no homes built this way. In 12 states, installing an earth tube system requires expensive variance approval. The radon objection is the standard reason given. A real concern, solved by a $30 charcoal filter at the intake. The same filter used in millions of commercial buildings worldwide. The radon argument did not kill earth tubes because the problem is unsolvable. It killed them because it gave code writers a reason to restrict a system that generates no ongoing revenue. A basic system uses 4 to 6 inch smooth-wall PVC pipe buried 4 feet down, sloped toward a drain, running 100 feet from a shaded yard intake to a register inside your home. Total cost, $150 to $250. Compare that to $300 to $500 per year just in electricity for a standard air conditioning system, before repairs and before the inevitable compressor failure. Earth tubes work best where summer humidity stays below 50%. Arizona, Nevada, and West Texas are ideal. In humid climates, add a condensation drain and a small dehumidifier at the outlet. Combine your system with concrete floors that store cool air during the day and release it at night. Add a dark rooftop shaft that uses natural convection to pull earth tube air through your home with zero electricity. The ground 4 feet below your home is sitting at 55 degrees right now. It was 55 degrees when Carrier filed his patent. It will be 55 degrees after every air conditioning unit you ever own has failed. They wrote the codes to protect the monthly bill. Now you know exactly how to build around them. Subscribe to Buried Blueprints and watch the next video on your screen right now.